So let me ask you, how did you learn to sell? You said that you were bad and then you got better. So obviously you were iterating in some way. How were you doing that? Yeah.
Well, I realized that, that all of my anxiety about selling was my own, because people inherently want to buy from you. If you have a solution for a problem that they have, they're ready to take this. They're ready for the solution. You just have to let them know why, why and how, and, and then that's really what you have to focus on. What's going to be the benefit to them, So I did really bad webinars when I started off. And even my bad webinars, once I started selling, I sold. I could make money. I remember one webinar I had, like somebody, an affiliate promoted it, right? So this affiliate brought in maybe 300 people into the webinar. I was like, oh my gosh, it was crazy. And this webinar was done in the back farmhouse of my wife's parents' place, which is in Iowa. And so it was like this trailer with farmland all around. The internet was terrible. It was in the dead of winter. I had a heater blaring in the background, and I had my onboard microphone. I didn't even have anything fancy, no camera. It was just 4x3 PowerPoint slides.
Okay.
And all said and done, I did about $2,000 worth of sales on that webinar. But and that's me sucking. That was me doing a terrible webinar. So I realized at the time that, webinars, there is room for error because it's a human connection. And as long as you provide two things, you can succeed. Even if you're a stutterer, even if you have fear of public speaking, if you have sincerity in what you're providing them, if you're sincere as a human and then you provide value based on what your offer is, then you'll succeed. Those are the two things: sincerity, like being authentic, and then, actually providing value, not just like smoke and mirrors. You have to actually give value.